Hey guys, welcome to February's Happy Mail giveaway. I'm kind of excited about this one, okay, because I created something very new to me. I have never tried this before, so this is kind of a prototype that I'm trying to give away because I had to build it first so I knew what I was doing to be able to build another one later on. So I'm going to be giving this away. So again, we're going to just leave me comments below and I will select from those comments who the winner is and I will announce it next Wednesday. And then whoever the winner is contacts me and sends me their home address so I can ship this off to them. Please, only those who live in the United States for this one because this one is kind of big. So shipping costs would be huge and my husband would have a fit. So US only, okay? I'm really sorry, but I'll try to have some happy meals that are for everybody later on, okay? So let's get started and look at this one. This one, I created this see-through panel. The word friend is on here with a butterfly that's got glossy accents on it. So it's a complete see-through panel. And well, you can see right there. And then here is some lovely strawberry plants. This is the panel. Now you already probably noticed that this is a little bit different than my normal journals. I like this one. It's mostly built for photographs, but I've kind of changed it up a little bit so that it could be photographs or journaling. Okay, so here you have this insert, and here you can put a photograph, but on the back I wrote journaling. I put a journaling space. You can glue a photograph here or the whole thing, or and then still have room to write and journal. So you can take that and use it. Actually, I'll leave this out. I want to use this and just demonstrate the pockets. Okay, so here is, you notice all these tabs. All of these tabs pull out. Okay, so here is another journaling card. One side you can put a photograph, and on the other side you can journal. It actually sits right here in between this panel and the next panel. So it sits right in the middle. Okay, so here is the next one right here. And this opens up and is a pocket. That's what I kept this out so I could demonstrate the pocket. So that's a pocket that you can slide stuff in. It's magnetic, so it's going to hold. Okay, now this one is kind of a complicated looking one. It's not complicated, but it just looks complicated. So you just unwind. This is kind of fun. You just unwind this all the way like that. Something fun to play with. Here in the middle is a pocket, and I included these cute little ephemera pieces and this little journaling card. You can either put the tea stain paper here or a photograph, and it just slides right into this pocket that's sitting right here. And then you have these panels that flip open and pull out for journaling spots. They do pull out fully, but I'm not going to do that because they tend to get stuck there. So I don't want to do that, but yeah. Then here is another pull out journaling spot, place for your tag, and it just slides right in between the two panels like that. And we open this panel. Sorry about that, didn't mean to move it. And we have, oops, excuse me, put this off to the side. We have a pocket here, a pocket here. You have a pocket over here and a pocket right here. And then you have these, which are both sitting inside of a pocket. And then, I'm going to leave this one out. This slides out, okay? This slides out, and you can put whatever you want right here. But I'm also going to include these chalkboard sheets. You can glue them straight onto, they're actually sticky, see? And you can glue them straight onto the backs of these, or the fronts, whichever you want, onto those. And then you can use your chalkboard pens and leave little messages right here. Okay, so I will include probably a couple of these sheets to use throughout this journal so that you can put them wherever you want. Okay, here's another one that slides out and is you can see it on this side. I didn't show you before, but so you can see on this side. So it's the same thing. You have the journaling spot, just pour it wholly, and then the place to put your um, photographs. And here is, these tabs are really sturdy. You can really grip a hold of them, so they'll be easy to pull in and out. Okay, this panel is, sorry. Okay, this panel is a pocket right here. And then these flip up and they're magnetic here. I love that sound. Okay, so, and you have another pocket right here to put things in. It's a great place to store your photographs. Okay, over here is a acetate window pocket. You flip this down. This flips up. You just grab a hold of it. Flips up. And then I just include, you can put whatever you want in here. You could just put your photos in here like I did with the deer, so that you got an example. You can just stick whatever you want in there, and it just closes it up. Here is another pull-out pocket panel. Each one is a slightly different. Okay, and put it back. Here we go. Okay, now we're to this page, and again, it's another corset one. Okay, so this one's also works the same way. I usually start it from right here on the right, straight over to the left, and then string it up. Okay, so the very after you, whenever it's open like this, you just take it from the right one straight to the left, and then start going zigzag. Okay, in case you want to know how to put that back together. Okay, so we open these two panels, which you can put whatever you want right here. Here we have two journaling cards that I've added inside these pockets, and then here is just a pull down slot that you can easily put something else in. See, just hugs that closed like that, so you can put whatever you want there. Okay, so, and then these two slots, can you guys see the image, the butterflies? And now our last panel over here, we have a big pocket right here in the front one. And then we have this pocket right here. You can see it's I kind of did an etching right there for the pocket, and you pull it out fully. And this is just a journaling spot here. And then again, you can put your photographs on the back side. Okay, and then you can kind of see, there we go. So I'll put this all back together, and then the back page looks like this, and the spine looks like this. Okay. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this little album. I probably will be making more of these because this was so fun to make. It's not our normal junk journaling style, but the papers were lovely to work with in a junk journal way. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are going to join in on this happy mail. Okay, so just leave me a comment if you would like this, and I will pick somebody on Wednesday. So I hope you guys have a blessed day.